right now. In this exact moment, while your heart feels heavy and your mind is full of questions, something beautiful is happening that you cannot see. Allah is looking at you, and He is smiling at you. You may feel tired. You may feel lost. You may feel like nothing is working in your life. You try, and things still break. You pray, and the answer feels far. You stay strong, but inside you feel weak. But what if this moment you are living through is not a sign of being forgotten, but a sign of being gently guided? Allah sees the struggle you hide from everyone. He sees the silent tears you wipe away. He hears the words you cannot even say out loud. And when you choose patience in that moment, when you choose to trust instead of giving up, when you choose to stand again after falling, that is when Allah smiles at you. Think about it. You are still here. After everything you went through, you are still breathing, still hoping, still trying. That is not weakness. That is strength placed in you by Allah. That is a sign that He has not left you. Sometimes life feels slow. You wait for things to change, but nothing seems to move. Days pass. Nights feel long. You wonder if your prayers are being heard. But what you do not see is that Allah is preparing something for you in silence. He is arranging things in ways you cannot imagine. He is protecting you from what could have hurt you. He is delaying things that are not right for you yet. And in that waiting, when you stay patient, when you keep your faith alive, even if it is small, Allah sees that. He values that. That quiet trust you hold in your heart is very powerful. It matters more than you think. There are moments when you feel completely alone. No one understands you. No one checks on you. No one knows what you carry inside. But you are never alone. Allah is closer to you than anyone. He knows every detail of your pain. He knows every fear. He knows every dream you are too afraid to speak. And still, He keeps giving you chances. He wakes you up every day. He gives you another opportunity to turn back to Him, to ask, to hope, to believe again. That is love. That is mercy. When you make a small effort to come closer to Him, even if it feels imperfect, Allah sees it. When you hold back from something wrong, even when it is hard, Allah sees it. When you whisper a small prayer from your heart, even if your voice shakes, Allah hears it. And at that moment, He smiles at you. Not because your life is perfect. Not because you have everything figured out. But because you are trying. Because you have not given up on Him, even when life tested you in ways you never expected. So do not think your struggles are useless. Do not think your pain is ignored. Every moment of patience is being counted. Every tear is being seen. Every prayer is being heard. What you are going through right now may be shaping you into someone stronger, someone closer to Allah, someone ready for something greater. You just cannot see the full picture yet. Trust this. Allah knows the right time. Allah knows what is best for you. And Allah never forgets the one who turns to Him. So breathe. Slow down. Let your heart rest for a moment. You are not behind. You are not abandoned. You are exactly where you need to be right now. And maybe, just maybe, in this very second, Allah is smiling at you because you are still holding on. If this message touched your heart, take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who needs hope, and subscribe for more reminders that bring peace to your soul.